Welcome to Aesthetic Physique Academy. Today we're delving into one of the most fundamental exercises in strength training, the squat. Whether you are a novice lifter or a seasoned athlete, perfecting your squat can significantly enhance your overall fitness. Let's get started. The squat is a compound exercise, meaning it engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Primarily, it targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research highlights the squat's efficacy in improving both muscular hypertrophy and neuromuscular adaptations, making it a cornerstone in any strength training program. This means that when you squat, you're not just working one part of your body. You're engaging a network of muscles that help improve overall strength, stability, and functionality. To perform a squat correctly, start with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes slightly pointed outward. This stance allows for optimal balance and mobility. As you descend, ensure your chest remains upright and your back straight. Imagine sitting back in a chair. Your knees should align with your toes without extending past them. Lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground. Then drive through your heels to return to the starting position. According to biomechanical research, maintaining this form minimizes the risk of injury and maximizes muscle activation. It's crucial to keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Rushing through squats or neglecting form can lead to strain and injuries, particularly in your lower back and knees. Variety in your squat routine can target different muscle groups and prevent workout monotony. Here are some effective squat variations. 1. Barbell back squats. To perform a barbell back squat, position the barbell across your upper back with feet shoulder-width apart. Engage your core and lower into a squat by bending your hips and knees, keeping your chest up and back straight. Drive through your heels to stand back up, maintaining proper form throughout the movement. This exercise targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. 2. Front squats. Hold the barbell across the front of your shoulders. This variation shifts emphasis to the quadriceps and upper back, as supported by research in the Journal of Sports Sciences. Front squats require more upper body strength and mobility, making them an excellent addition to your routine if you're looking to improve overall body strength and coordination. 3. Goblet squats. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest. Ideal for beginners, this variation helps in maintaining proper form. Goblet squats are also beneficial for teaching proper depth and technique, as the weight placement encourages a more upright torso and better knee tracking. 4. Bulgarian split squats. Elevate one foot behind you on a bench. This unilateral exercise improves balance and corrects muscle imbalances, as noted in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy. Bulgarian split squats are particularly effective for targeting the glutes and hamstrings, and they can help address asymmetries between the left and right sides of your body. 5. Sumo squats. Adopt a wider stance with toes pointed outward. This targets the inner thighs and glutes more intensively. Sumo squats are excellent for improving hip mobility and activating muscles that are often underutilized in traditional squats. 6. Overhead squats. Hold a barbell overhead with arms fully extended. This variation demands a high level of mobility and stability, engaging the entire body. Overhead squats are beneficial for improving shoulder stability, core strength, and overall mobility. They are often used in Olympic weightlifting training to enhance technique and performance. 7. Box squats. Use a box or bench to guide your depth. This variation helps in controlling the squat depth and improving explosive power. Box squats are particularly useful for beginners who struggle with achieving proper depth or for advanced lifters looking to improve their strength and power output. The box provides a physical cue for consistent depth, ensuring proper form. Common mistakes can hinder your progress and increase the risk of injury. One frequent error is knee valgus, where the knees cave inward. This is often due to weak glutes or improper foot positioning. Focus on pushing your knees outward during the movement. This can be corrected by strengthening the glutes and abductors, and by practicing proper foot placement and alignment. Another mistake is excessive forward lean, which can strain your lower back. Keep your core engaged and your chest up. This issue often arises from weak core muscles or poor ankle mobility. To address this, incorporate core strengthening exercises and mobility work into your routine. Lastly, avoid performing partial squats. Aim for at least parallel depth to ensure full muscle activation. A study in the Journal of Applied Biomechanics emphasizes the importance of these corrections for safe and effective squatting. Performing partial squats can limit your gains and place undue stress on your joints. Ensure you are lowering yourself to a proper depth to engage all the relevant muscle groups fully. Integrating squats into your workout routine is crucial for balance development. Here are a few effective workout splits. 1. Full body split. Perform squats twice a week alongside other compound movements such as deadlifts and bench press. This approach allows for balanced muscle development and functional strength. By incorporating squats into a full body routine, you ensure that your lower body gets adequate attention while still working on overall strength and conditioning. 2. Upper/lower split. Dedicate 2 to 3 days a week for lower body training, incorporating squats. This split allows for focused training sessions, ensuring your legs and lower body get the intensive work they need without overtraining. You can pair squats with other lower body exercises like lunges, leg presses, and calf raises for a comprehensive lower body workout. 3. Push-pull leg split. Allocate a day specifically for leg training, with squats as the primary lift. This method provides a balanced approach to training different muscle groups on separate days. On leg days, prioritize squats and follow up with complementary exercises such as deadlifts, hamstring curls, and quad extensions. 4. Body part split. Focus 1 day a week on legs, including multiple squat variations and accessory exercises. This traditional bodybuilding split allows you to dedicate an entire workout session to your legs, ensuring thorough muscle engagement and growth. By varying your squat types and adding exercises like leg curls and calf raises, you can create a well-rounded leg day. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Ensure you get adequate rest and nutrition to support your training regimen. Proper recovery includes not only rest days, but also active recovery techniques like stretching, foam rolling, and light cardio. Nutrition plays a crucial role as well. Consuming enough protein and healthy carbohydrates will fuel your muscles and aid in repair and growth. Hydration is also key to maintaining optimal performance and recovery. Remember, listening to your body is crucial in any fitness journey. If you experience pain or discomfort while squatting, it may indicate a need to adjust your form, reduce the weight, or seek professional guidance. Consulting with a fitness trainer or physical therapist can provide personalized advice and help you address any underlying issues that may affect your squat performance. Consistency is key to seeing progress with squats. Regularly incorporating them into your routine and gradually increasing the weight and intensity can lead to significant improvements in strength and muscle development. Focus on quality over quantity, ensuring each rep is performed with proper form and technique. Track your progress by keeping a workout journal, noting the weights used, sets, and reps performed. This can help you identify patterns, set new goals, and stay motivated on your fitness journey. Thank you for joining us today at Aesthetic Physique Academy. Mastering the squat can elevate your fitness to new heights. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more expert tips and workout guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Stay committed to your goals and keep pushing your limits. Remember, every rep, every set, every squat brings you one step closer to your aesthetic physique. See you next time.